used to hang out there on Smoker's Corner. I would always go there, but, that was the seedy part of high school, that corner. They call it Smoker's Corner. I had a super embarrassing event happen there one day in front of everybody. I was there and I was smoking a cigarette and I was just talking with people, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it felt like somebody grabbed my head, but it was a bird, and it landed right on my head, and it was like everyone was laughing, and it took a big-ass shot in front of everybody. Thank God I had a hat on, but I had to leave immediately, go right home.